How to turn on or turn off Bluetooth tethering on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App, 9 Setting. Scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, and you will see Bluetooth tethering is here. If you want to turn on Bluetooth tethering, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Bluetooth tethering is turned on. If you want to turn off Bluetooth tethering, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Bluetooth tethering is turned off. You will turn on or turn off Bluetooth tethering from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth tethering on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.